One of the aims of a DPhil is not just to complete your DPhil, it's to learn the skills of evidence-based healthcare and the research methods that go alongside it. By the end of the project, you will be a standalone researcher in your own right. You'll be able to supervise students, you'll be able to lead projects.
We expect a full-time DPhil to take around 4 years, and for part-time students it's going to take longer than that. Some of our students complete in 5 or 6 years and others take a bit longer than that. It just depends on the student, their circumstances and the research that they're doing. Students are required to spend 30 days in Oxford each year. We encourage students to do that through attending training and also attending the Evidence-Based Healthcare Skills Week, which happens once a year, which is a bringing together of students across all the programmes from the various master's programmes as well as the DPhil programmes, and students spend a week in Oxford together and can learn about each other and interact and connect. So it's a really nice opportunity for people to get together.
The benefit for being here is just getting those in-person connections. There's so many people that you run into, that you meet, that unless you go out of your way to, join a Teams meeting or a networking group, you'll just pass people and start up a conversation with them. I've met so many people that way, and it's great. It makes you feel like you're part of a community.
There's a huge opportunity across the university where there's a significant number of courses at any one time. Most of them happen in term time, some of them are online.
They can learn how to use reference management software or software to help them do their analysis for qualitative research, for example. And we also have a range of courses that they can take to skill up in research skills like systematic reviewing or qualitative methods or big data. DPhils can be quite an isolating experience because you're doing it alone. You're responsible for delivering your own research along with support from your supervisors. We have such a huge range of expertise in-house that even if your supervisor doesn't have that particular skill, somebody else in the department will have. Even if you don't have those skills on entry and if you're afraid about undertaking those types of methods, we can put your mind at ease.
Our students are unique in the way they can foster and collaborate, so they all have a connection with each other. We have student representatives who make that work and feed back to us in the programme.
I would say getting involved in activities through the college have been very just rewarding in terms of meeting other people, such a variety of other people. Through our program, we've started doing a monthly virtual meetup, which I think has definitely connected people, and we have like a WhatsApp group chat. And just different ways of staying in touch so it doesn't feel like you're doing this by yourself, even though you are, and everyone's typically in different places in the world.
When I first arrived at Oxford, I thought, oh my gosh, there's going to be all these amazing, intelligent people who are up there and there's me down here. And over time, what I've realised is that actually the key is, it's not that people are more intelligent here, it's just that there is a lot of them in a small space.
Lots of our current students on the programme have told us that they have thought about whether or not they're good enough to apply, and they're here now, so the chances are that you are good enough to apply to us as well. And the main thing for us is that you are motivated and enthusiastic and you want to learn, and we really want to support you to deliver your DPhil.